you. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ay, si Oslik yun ah. Oslik, magandang gabi sa iyo. Kanina po, sa pagpapasimula, sinabi ni Brother Olet na tayo ay nasa panahon ng paghahanda na kung saan dapat nating iwaksi ang masama o ang kampo ng kasamaan na sinundan naman ng panalangin ni Noel na kung saan sinabi niya na dapat yung kampo ng kasamaan ay puksain. Kaya siguro doon ko itutuon ngayon yung aking message sa inyo. Sapagkat baka malimutan nyo na when Father Mark Gibney founded the order, he wanted it to be a society of Catholic men organized in every parish who would stand in solidarity with our priests, supporting them in their mission and in their vocation, and defending them if ever they are attacked or affronted. Ngayon, sinasabi natin na ang principal lessons ng ating degree ay charity, unity, and fraternity. But our unwritten purpose, our unwritten obligation is the support of our Holy Father, our bishops, and priests. And also, we have been told that the Knights of Columbus is the one organization who will always stand in solidarity with our priests. And this organization of Catholic men is here to stay, to see that our priests, our religious, are revered not only in public, but even in the privacy of our homes. Siguro naman, nananamnam nyo na kung anong tinatry kong i-drive at this point. Tayo po, ang ating Holy Pontiff has been attacked. We are Catholics. We are men of the Knights of Columbus. We must stand. We must make a position on this. At bilang state advocate, sinasabi ko na ngayon sa lahat na this is not in violation of our Constitution, of our laws, kung tayo man ay magsasalita ng laban doon sa tumuliksa o nagbigay ng masamang salita sa ating pinakamamahal na Santo Papa. Yun lang po. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, S.A. Antonio Pidilino. Very well said. At